Guys, what's up? So welcome back to Fxpub, and first of all, happy new year. I know it's already a little bit late, that is today is 5th of January, but it's okay. Due to my past health condition, I can't be able to continue those YouTube videos content, but now I'm feeling well, and we already made a very nice start of this year by making a very nice trade on the officially first trading day of this year. We bagged 3-hour trade on EUROUSD, and today we are going to make the video breakdown of that trade on the EUROUSD that I took on 2nd of January. And guys, believe me, this literally is my A plus setup. So if you want to know that what I trade and what kind of setups I look for, this is exactly the same. So let's go on 2nd of January and just remove this all. And we will start from the weekly time frame and we go to the daily one. Wait a minute, let's go for the bar replay, the 2 a.m. right? So let's go on weekly. Oops. So what we see on the weekly, currently we are just on the downtrend. Like if you see, we are tapped in the weekly fair value gap, this one. You can see the low of this candle and the high of this candle is not overlapping. There is a gap we call FPG, or the fair value gap. So this comes in and see, are we going to reject or not? By the way, this is the previous week candle, as we have done the bar replay, so it is not showing this candle. Okay, let's go on the daily. Okay, this is showing us today's candle, but okay, if you see, this is the place where we end the 2024 year, and we are going to have the candle first trading day candle here. So if you see on the daily, we have retraced into the daily order block with the weekly fair value gap, this one, and we rejected, also sweep this previous day high when we are on this day, closed below. This candle confirms our bearish bias, that we are bearish. See the momentum. So if I'm not wrong, the Omar, if you know, he trades these kind of things, the engulfing bar patterns, where he just wait for the engulfing candles, this one also, and he wait for the retracement of the next candle to like 25%, 30, or like around the discount premium zone of above or below in the 50% range. So same we are going to happen. We are going to see open, high, low, close to trade our next daily candle. So bias bearish, we are going to set up a AMD setup to take our trade, right? Let's go on the 4-hour time frame. And if you see on the 4-hour time frame, we have this gap and we are exactly bearish. This is what, yeah, 31st December. Okay, we have gap, we have these level of resistance, you will say in easy words. And on hourly, if you go, and this is the close of the, where is 2 a.m. This is the place where we look for entry, by the way. Okay, we have to go 2 a.m. Yeah, let's play this out. By the way, this is the Asia range that you are seeing, the purple box. I am using an indicator, that is ICT everything, to mark out that, as I don't have any indicator. And what is this on the daily time frame? Let me show you, I forgot to mention that. This is the relative equal lows, that is equal lows of 2024 November lows. This is the November month low. Okay, and it is basically a psychological number. 1.0, you can see here 1.03300, 1.033. This is the psychological number. This is the November low. Relative, these are the basic targets. And if you see on the one thing I will show you on monthly, we have this monthly fair value gap that we are currently in. And if you see, this is the consequent encroachment. If you want to mark that out, this is my real target, and I will show you why. Just let me, yeah, be back here. And we are also having this weekly fair value gap below that. So we are basically bearish. And if you see now on the hourly time frame, we have this Asia high as a potential sweep of the liquidity. But also if you see, we have this 1 hour time frame FVG that we are currently rejecting, and this is by the way close of the 1 AM candle, just the start of the 2 AM candle. And we have this potential bullish fair value gap, but I think this is gonna be disrespected like quickly, just chewing through it. And we have this relative equal lows, also the Asia low. So let's go on the 50-minute time frame. And if you see at 2 AM, let's see what dollar is doing at this time. This is by the way dollar. Same bias is bullish for dollar, that's why we are shorting. If you see at this time, dollar has swept out the Asia low. So if dollar goes and close above this down close candle, then this area or these down close candle are going to be potential order blocks, right? And same for this. If euro is my path, if euro closes below and retrace into this, I will look for short. Okay, this is the game plan I was thinking at that time, right? Okay, so we close below and we have what, these potential down close candles, sorry, up close candle, series of up close candle. And if you see at the same time on the dollar, what do you see? We close above this, even this. So on the euro, what I done, I basically put my limits here. I don't know, my broker filled me here, but my limit is here. And the stop loss was, yeah, a little bit, yeah. Stop loss was here. And I was targeting these. I got 3 hour. Yeah. Should play. We got tagged in right here. And if you see on dollar, they have not touched yet. I don't know. Maybe they are. I have not even looked at that time on this. We rejected from that 1 hour FVG again. Let's see. They gone above, and after that, I took my partial of, yeah, at this level, around this level, not exact. You will see in the proof. Around this level, I took my 25% off, but don't know what happened. I got my TP right at the place. To be honest, I want to hold this, but I was not literally expecting that we can have a very large day move today, because that's why I also sized down on this euro trade. I have not risked much as I usually do, because I was not expecting that first day is gonna be so much volatile. And if you see after that, they just keep falling, and this was my target, November 2022 low. Literally this was my target. And remember, I show you one thing on the monthly consequent encroachment of that monthly fair value gap. Here it is. Yeah, this level. So these are my basically target that we just got hit on the first day of the year. Like if you see, the range is 152 pips. It's insane. So I got here and I have not chased this price because I was expecting that after that London expansion of around 50-60 pip move, and it will consolidate and just close like that. That's it. That's why is my idea. But they just keep falling. And one more thing, yeah, I forgot to mention. When dollar sweep the Asia high, we have created the SMT. Sorry, I forgot to mention that. So this was my literally A plus setup on 15-minute time frame. I usually don't go lower than 5 minute. Most of the time my A plus setup that have paid me out around 15 minutes, 10 minutes sometimes, or 5 minutes for a confirmation like an engulfing or something, rejection like that. That's it. That was by the way trade that I took, and let me show you the proof that I took on my account, where this was by the way trade. And if you see, I don't know why it is not showing me on the trading view. Entry at the, it is 5 minute chart. I will show you on 5 minute. You see exactly this area, just at this 5 minute up close candle, my entry was just there. And yeah, as I told you, first partial around this level, 25% at Asia low. Yeah, this was the area. If I'm not wrong, this is 2R. Yeah, around this level, I took 25% off of my full position and let just I hold it for the TP. And here it was 1.033. That's it. It was the trade. And Happy New Year. This was just the start, and I promise I will be as much as active on my socials also. I also have posted. Please, if you have not checked on my socials, just tune in. Most of the update will be there very soon. Not a promise. Might be I also trade live with you on YouTube just for free. No paid things. So let's see. Bye bye. Have a good day.